We're trying to chase this bag. We're trying to chase this bag all summer. If you want to know how to make money this summer 2K19, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money as a teen this summer 2K19. So I have a list of things here that you can do to make money as a teen this summer. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get right into it. So you want to know how to make money this 2K19. Alright, so the first thing you could do is you can do the most probably generic thing on this list, and which is babysit. All you got to do is call up your family, call up your friends, call up a family friend, whatever you need to do, your neighbor next door, across the street, you know, but you want to call them up, just want to be like,
do you need a kid to babysit?
All you have to do is basically just find anyone who's going out of town, who goes out a lot and has kids, and hit them up, because we're trying to chase this bag. We're trying to chase this bag all summer. Make sure you get a good price. Make sure it's like $5 or more an hour. You know, that's kind of pushing it, but kids are a lot. So the second thing you can do is you can sell your old clothes, or clothes that don't fit you anymore, or clothes that you just don't like anymore, on apps like Poshmark, Depop, or Mercari. I have a Depop. It will be linked in the description box down below. I will be selling stuff on there soon, so watch out for that. My username is right here, but I will also link it in the description box down below, so you guys can go follow me on there and see what I list. But it's pretty simple. All you do is you go on those apps, you create an account, and then you just list your things, list a price, and people will eventually start coming and buying from you. The third thing you could do is you could braid or style hair. I know a lot of people want to get their hair done over the summer, you know, to look good for vacation or whatever. I know I would like to get box braids a lot, but sometimes people are expensive. So if you can do it at a low price and you already know how to braid hair, then you're perfect for anyone that really can't afford to pay no $100 for some box braids. Like, you can go for like $30 to like $50, and as long as you do a good job, you should be able to keep on getting customers. But the way to promote yourself, you should make an Instagram account with your hair account and start to get followers from there, start to do friends hair and have them promote it on Snapchat, Instagram, whatever you have to do. But yeah, if you know how to braid hair, or if you know how to do hair in general, then make an Instagram account, start to form yourself on Instagram, and go from there. The fourth thing you can do to make money as a teen this summer is you can do makeup for parties happening this summer. At least some of you guys out there know people who have summer birthday parties, have sweet 16s this summer, quinceañeras that you can do makeup at. You can do people's makeup that are going to the quinceañera. You can do the birthday girl's makeup, and you can charge them. If you're really good at makeup, you might as well. Like, if you already have your own makeup, then go out there and do people's makeup for money, create an Instagram account, whatever you have to do. The fifth thing you can do is make jewelry. I've seen this around a lot, like cute little dainty jewelry. I personally would be really interested in buying some cheap little cute, like handcrafted jewelry, because I feel like that's so unique and you won't really find anything like it at like stores if it's like homemade, obviously. But like cute little dainty jewelry is so cute to me. Like, I don't know what it is, but you could do that. You can make your own jewelry. You could make an Instagram account about it. You can post it on your own Instagram stories and stuff like that. Post on Instagram, use hashtags to fit your category, you know what I mean? And the sixth way you can make money is for my photography people who are interested in cameras. You can take pictures for people for money. Like, if you already have a camera at home, you can start to teach yourself how to take photos for people, do photo shoots over the summer. I know a lot of people, I live in Florida, want like beach photo shoots and stuff like that. Like, you can easily do that for them for a certain amount of money and start from there. You can make Instagram accounts, you can do all that stuff. You can post it on Snapchat, like, you can post your prices. And even if you don't have a professional camera, you can do it on your iPhone, you know, and charge people for that. The seventh thing you can do is sell stuff on eBay. You can negotiate with people with prices. Like, say for instance, you have a Xbox that you don't use anymore, you can sell that on eBay. You have a old camera that you don't use, you can sell that on eBay. Anything that you don't use anymore, you can go ahead and sell that on eBay. The eighth thing you can do to make money over the summer is for my animal lovers. You can pet sit for your neighbors who are going out of town. If you know they're gonna go out of town for a certain amount of days and they have a dog or a cat that needs to be fed, that needs to be walked, you can walk their dogs. You can make sure they get enough food, make sure they drink their water, you know, simple things like that. Make sure they get enough playtime and stuff like that, and overall just take care of their pet and get money from it. The next thing, you can do chores around the house for people around your area who are out of town. You can mow their lawn, you could water their plants, you can wash their cars, and just things they need around the house while they're gone and stuff like that for money, and you can make your bank. The 10th thing you can do to make money over the summer is if you know how to edit, or you have a niche. If you have a thing for editing, or you know how to edit really good, you can make YouTube intros for people, you can make outros for people. A lot of people I know, they make YouTube intros for people and then they make outros for people for a certain amount of money, and they're just making bank like that. You can ask people on Instagram, like smaller YouTubers that don't really have a channel yet, if you can make their YouTube intro, their YouTube outro, and their channel banner. I know channel banners are really hard to make, so yeah, that's a really good way to make money if you really like editing. The next thing is for my musically gifted people. If you know how to play an instrument, whether that's piano, clarinet, saxophone, whatever, you can teach little kids how to play it. Like, you can start your own piano lesson business, and you can have little kids come over. If you have a piano at your house, and you can teach them, like, you can look at your old books from when you were younger and you can just teach that to them and teach them like basic scales and stuff like that. You can go on Facebook and spread the word around, because I know a lot of older people are on Facebook and they have kids, and then from there you're all set. The next thing is for my artistic people. You can make art for people. I've been really digging like little pieces of art lately. Like, I've been painting my own stuff, but I really like to purchase more like art things from other young people, because I want to support people my age that are out here like painting stuff like that. I love painting, so if you do painting, sell them, you know. And also another add-on is you can create custom shoes. Those are so popular nowadays. I would really like a pair of custom shoes, whether that's Vans, Air Force Ones. Like, I really like those type of vibes. You can create an Instagram account and you can start off by doing some on your own and then posting pictures. You can contact YouTubers and send them a free pair if they promote it on their channel or on their Instagram. You can contact Instagram influencers, like, and you can create a Instagram account about your shoes. I would really like to purchase a pair of custom shoes, so if you're watching this video right now and you do custom shoes, make sure to hit me up, because I would love to promote your product. This next one kind of goes with an earlier one. The next thing you can do is you can clean people's houses, or you can clean their pools. If you get a group of friends to do it with you and you all split the profits, whether that neighbor is out of town or they're out for the night, you can clean their house and you can clean their pool. Just clean up around the house and make money from that. This next one is for my people who like the pool. You can be a lifeguard at your local pool for a very good price. So you can learn how to be a lifeguard, go through the training, and then you could be a lifeguard at your local pool or whatever, and you can make money that way. And the last thing on my list is to be a camp counselor. Camp is really popular over the summer. A lot of people get sent to camps, go out to camps far away or whatever, and you can go and you can counsel and you can help little kids with their arts and craft and stuff, and you can get paid from it, and it will be a really fun experience, and you can get your bank. Alright, so that is all I have on my list on how to make money as a teen over this summer. If you guys want a part 2, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to 100 thumbs up and I will make a part 2. Let me know how you guys like my sit down like commentary videos, because I want to know if I should do more of them or if I should do vlogs or whatever videos I should do. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this commentary type video. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you do any of these over the summer and tell me how it turns out. Follow my social medias. You can DM me on Instagram whenever. All my social medias will be in the description box down below. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!